Welcome to Reline Wall Printer. Now demonstrate machine installation and operation. This is the printing nozzle of the machine. Set of ink. Moisturizing fluid for print heads. Coatings for printing glass. Scanning camera. Spare screws. Tool. Power cable. First put the two sets of tracks side by side. Splicing track. Fasten the locks on both sides. Open fold track and lock. Place the host on the track and ensure that the rollers are in the center of the track. Remove the print head from the box. Prepare a screwdriver and take out two screws. Tighten the screws with a screwdriver. Connect the three sets of control lines from the host computer to the print head in sequence. Open the ink tank and add the corresponding color ink. Open the ink tank air hole. Adjust the distance between the machine and the wall. Make sure the machine is level. Locking roller. Connect the power cord. Press the power button. When not using the power cord, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Remove the ink absorber. Prepare a piece of white paper and place it in front of the print head. Click Inkjet Test. The inkjet test results as shown on the left are normal and can be printed directly. The inkjet test results in the picture on the right show faults or mixed colors. Cannot print directly. Click Pump Ink to suck out the ink from the front of the print head. Test again. Move the print head to the lower left corner. Click Z to automatically. Click Image Processing. Select the picture you want to print. Enter the printing height and the printing width will be automatically adjusted. Select Printing Precision and start printing. The machine starts working and no other operations are required during the printing process. Printing completed. Turn off the auto. Install ink absorber. Lower the print head to the bottom. turn off the power button and shut down the system. Thanks for watching.